let's check out this rechargeable magnetic LED light. Perfect for garages, workshops, y más. Let's open it. A ver qué tal. So check this out. This is magnetic. So you can just, attach it and have some light where you're working. We all need some light to look at things much better. So check this out. Rechargeable. Look at this. Let's see. We can move these around. Clamps. Mira nada más. This is great for any do-it-yourself projects. If it's anything that's magnetic, mira, bam, and voila. Get some light wherever it's needed. Rechargeable, super bright. Check this out. Ooh. So look at that. Look at all the different levels that you can use. Super cool. You can use this for so many things. This is great to keep in your car. You never know when you might have a flat tire and you need some light. This is perfect for Father's Day, for gifts, for anybody that you know of that likes to work on cars in their workshop, even projects. This is a great light to have. Check it out. I love it. You charge it right here. Look, it even has a hook. Some hooks right here so you can hang it if need to. Super cool to have. Really recommend this. It's super light and of course cordless because you can just charge it. So let's light it up and try it. A ver qué tal. When you need light exactly where you're working, this is it. This rechargeable magnetic LED work light is a must-have for car repairs, home projects, or even Father's Day gifting. This rechargeable magnetic LED light has your back, bright, cordless, and ready to go. Find it now on Amazon and make your work life a little easier.